Hello and welcome to Makula. Today we're going to look at how service managers or technicians, when they're back from service, can fill out procedures on the web. Also, we're going to see how you can download PDF reports of these procedures and what they look like so that you can perhaps email them to your customers or just log them for your own filing purposes. So navigate to procedures. Here you've got a list of all your templates. One way you can do this is directly start filling out a procedure, or you can go back to the work order that the procedure is for and attach the procedure. Let's go down this route for now. So we can click fill procedure. You come into the procedure. All of these fields right now say not applicable because these technically are fetched from the work order that this procedure is attached to. Now you can directly come and start filling things in. I'm going to attach an image, right? That's already there on my laptop. I will fill these fields out. Let's say it's on the first floor. The site supervisor is Simon. Then I'll go in and fill these out. This perhaps could also be like an expense report, right? Something that you're filling out once you're back at the office, if that is something that is relevant to your organization. Let's say this is the Packmaster 3000 and the serial number is BM3000. Overhaul, as an example, the inspection result is passed and the time spent was, for example, 2 hours. Now, if I wanted to add more rows into this table, I could simply click this and add another row, and of course, go ahead and fill all of these out. Now, if there were any parts attached, then I could specify those here, also increase or decrease quantities here. If there are any sub-assets for this, for the machines on this work order, that this procedure is ultimately attached to, then I could fill those out of here. Of course, there are no options right now because we haven't attached this to a work order. When did the issue start? Let's say I fill this out as well. It was on the 24th. Again, I can attach another image over here, go through this checklist. Let's say check a few things. Sensors, general cleanliness is all good. Again, a list option I can select, or let's say, let's go with option 2. And then, yeah, maybe not the best experience signing these procedures on the web. But of course, this is more relevant when it's done on the mobile app. And let's say this is okay, or actually Simon. Now, as soon as this is done, I can finalize this procedure. And as this finalizes, I can then go in and attach it to one of the work orders that already exist. Let's say this is for service required Amber Industries, which is on hold. I assign this procedure, and as soon as I assign the procedure, I land in the work order that I assigned this to. This, I believe, is the safety check that we just filled out. And now I can see the customer name's been fetched, the customer ID, the address. In this case, the asset that was attached to this work order has been deleted. So it shows deleted asset, the work order title, and so on. Now I can also download a PDF of this report. Add a little snippet at the end of the video to show you what the PDF looks like. This is what the procedure PDF looks like. You can see we have a header over here. It's got this header item, which is showing the customer name, the customer address, the asset on record, of course, what the filled out procedure looks like. You can scroll down any images that we've added. Again, this is a footer on this page. Again, a header on the next one and a footer on the next one. And after your signatures, that is the end of the procedure. Yeah, that's all for how you manage and fill out procedure templates on the web. If there's anything else that you're looking for help on, check out our other videos. Thank you.